Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the MSc online class of class 3rd. I hope you all are doing good. Students, today I'll teach you exercises of lesson 4. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Students, I have already taught you about this lesson. Cleanliness is next to godliness in the last video, but I want to remind you again about this chapter, that only a healthy body can have a healthy mind. So you should remember that our body is a temple of God, and we should keep our body neat and clean. We will be able to study, play, and behave well only if we have a healthy body. Clean clothes alone will not make us healthy, but we have to brush our teeth daily, to trim our nails once a week, take bath daily, comb our hair daily, and these all are healthy habits. Along with these, you have to avoid junk food, means you should not eat chocolates, too much chocolates, chips, cold drinks. You should avoid it. Wash your hands before and after food. Drink filtered water or boiled water. Wash your hands after going to the toilet or using toilet, and these all are good habits to keep your body clean and healthy. We must be careful to keep our mind clean and pure. So we should not hate anyone, never do anger, jealous, or speaking ill to others, or do fighting, because it will take away your health of your mind. To keep your mind clean and healthy, love, care, respect, forgiveness, appreciation, speaking good about others, always keep in mind. To lead healthy lives, we have to keep our house and surroundings clean, and waste materials should be put in dustbin. Don't scattered here and there. Waste materials should be put in dustbins and should not be scattered here and there. Scattered means फैला हुआ. तो जो भी वेस्ट है वो इधर उधर नहीं फैला होना चाहिए. And your study room and prayer room should be arranged so that you can do your studies and prayer well. And one more important thing, it is your responsibility, students, to keep your classrooms also clean. If you want to do study well, you should keep your classrooms clean. And let us remember, only a healthy body can have a healthy mind. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Students, I hope you remember all these points and follow my instructions. Now, let us find out healthy habits. Here you have to write 8 healthy habits. First one is, don't eat junk food. Second, brush our teeth daily. Third, wash hands before and after food. Trim your nails once a week. Fifth, drink boiled water. 6. Take bath daily. 7th, wash hands after using toilet. Comb our hair daily. Once again, you read with me. Don't eat junk food. Second, brush our teeth daily. Third, wash hands before and after food. Fourth, trim your nails once a week. Fifth, drink boiled water. Sixth, take bath daily. 7. Wash hands after using toilet. 8th, comb our hair daily. Students, these are the healthy habits and you should follow properly. Let's come to page number 21. First one is write 5 things which help you to keep your mind clean. How you can keep your mind clean? By keeping these things in your mind always. First one, love. Second, forgiveness. Third, care. Fourth, appreciation. Fifth, respect. Again you say, first, love. Second, forgiveness. Third, care. Fourth, appreciation. And last, respect. Next one is fill in the blanks. First one, only a healthy mind can have a dash mind. Only a healthy body can have a dash mind. Healthy mind. Only a healthy body can have a healthy mind. Second, we have to keep our dash clean. We have to keep our dash clean. House and surrounding. House and surrounding. Third one, dash and dash make our mind sick. Anger and jealousy. Dash and dash make our mind sick. Anger and jealousy. Fourth one, waste material should be put in dash. Where you can put? In dustbin. Waste material should be put in dustbin. Now student, listen carefully. All the exercises you write in your copies, neat and clean handwriting. Now thank you everyone. Keep learning and stay safe at home.